Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to see about spider lilies. It is called spider lily because of the petals look like spider legs. We can easily grow the spider lily by bulb. If you plant a mature bulb, it will bloom in 3 or 4 weeks. These bulbs are usually available at your local nursery and online nursery. Now, let's see how to grow spider lily. I choose plastic pot of size 30 cm wide and 30 cm deep with drainage hole for plant the bulb. I used the ordinary garden soil as potting mix. Dig a hole and place the bulb. Water the newly potted bulb lightly and regularly until you see the new growth. Place the newly potted bulb in a shaded area until germination. After that, place the pot in a bright area. They need at least 4 hours of light per day to thrive. Also, you can dig up the bulbs of an established plant. Fill the pot with any type of soil. Spider lily tolerate all kind of soil. Add some fertilizer with potting soil. I use the cattle manure with the potting mix. Cut the bulb roots up to 3/4 of its length while planting. Dig a hole and place the plant. Let its neck just above the soil surface and lightly foam the soil around the base. Water the soil thoroughly and place the pot in the sunny area or partial shade. Feed every 2 weeks with the liquid fertilizer to produce flowers more quickly. A stall contains 6 to 10 buds. The buds open one by one in 4 to 5 days, but the individual flowers last for only a day. Water your lily when the soil surface feels dry. It stores water in its bulb under the soil. So, water the plant once or twice in a week depend on the soil condition. Too much sunlight sometimes burn your plant. Some afternoon shade helps to prevent your plant from burning the leaves. Thank you.